Hello students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. We are discussing chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. We are already done with the discoveries that are associated with the cell components. We are also done with unicellular, multicellular. The introductory parts are almost discussed. Along with that, we have also discussed diffusion, osmosis, which are the functions of the plasma membrane. One of the important functions of the plasma membrane that we are left with is bulk transport. Okay, bulk transport is the one that we will discuss in this video, and the term is very much mentioned in your NCERT. Okay, so we will see the meaning of it. Before I start, I would like to give a shout out for Bhavna Bhagwanta. She has given the right answers that were shared in the discovery of cell and its components. Well done, Bhavna. Stay tuned like this and share my videos with your friends too. So with this, we proceed further. What is bulk transport? Whenever we talk about the transport of substances in a larger amount, we call it as a bulk transport. Okay, bulk means huge amount. So plasma membrane, it does that. And there are two processes that are being involved in this. One is known as endocytosis and another is known as exocytosis. Remember, in bio, whenever we talk about endo, it means to go in, and exo always means to go out, right? And cytosis means something is going inside the cytoplasm. I hope it is clear. Endocytosis means that something is going in the cytoplasm, and when something is coming out of the cytoplasm, it is exocytosis. Now further, endocytosis is categorized into two parts. One is known as phagocytosis and another is known as pinocytosis. Okay, one by one we will see the meaning of all these. Now suppose we have a cell and this is the plasma membrane. Okay, a vesicle or a vacuole comes with food in it. Okay, it is approaching near and the food is in the solid form, means solid food is there. If we are talking about solid food, remember we will call it as phagocytosis. Okay, so whenever solid food gets inside the cell in the form of a vesicle or a vacuole, then it is known as phagocytosis. And in the pinocytosis, again we are drawing a cell and this is the plasma membrane, right? And here the food vacuole is coming, but it has what? Liquid food in it. So these vesicles over a period of time, this is our step number 1. In step number 2, this will come closer. In step number 3, it will go inside, right? So this food vacuole has to go inside. Whenever we are talking about liquid food, right? Whenever we are talking about liquid food, that means we are talking about pinocytosis. Whenever we are talking about solid food, that means we are talking about phagocytosis, right? The steps are almost same, only the difference is in the consistency of the food. And now you will be asking a question, ma'am, where does it occurs in our body? So there are few cells that deals with immunity, right? When we will come to tissues chapter, you will study that there are a type of cells which are known as macrophages. Okay, right now you can just learn that there are cells in our body called macrophages. These macrophages, they basically digest the germs entering in your body through endocytosis, and once they are digested, the leftover food is exiting from the body with the help of exocytosis. So suppose this is a cell with a plasma membrane and it has a waste product in it, a vacuole that is containing the waste product. Now, if the cell has undergone phagocytosis, the waste product will be in the solid form. If the cell has done pinocytosis, the waste will be in the liquid form. Very easy, right? Now, what will happen? This vacuole in the next step will fuse to the plasma membrane and ultimately it will move out, right? So, here you can see that the food vacuole has moved out. This was our step number 1, this was our step number 2, this was our step number 3, and these are the steps for exocytosis. Okay, exo means to go out, endo means to come in. This is a simple bulk transport in which plasma membrane helps, right? Now, the question for this video is that which organism takes its food by phagocytosis? Or you can tell me about endocytosis. Okay, so you have to name just one organism that can take the food through endocytosis, or if you know about phagocytosis, you can give any one example. The students who will be giving the right answer, their names will be taken in the next video, as Bhavna's name has been taken in the beginning of the video. I hope you are liking my video series. Do just comment that are you progressing good? Is your preparation going good? If there is any query that you want me to answer, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, see you in next video with some more learning material. Thank you.